Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Okay, very good. Children, in the last class we have studied multiplication. Is there no ma? In the last class we have studied multiplication. Open your mouth and say the spelling for multiplication. 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 Okay. This simple is multiplied by, what is this simple? Multiplied by, okay, then the multiplication answer is called the product. The multiplication answer is called the product. Okay, P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. Okay mama, the multiplication answer is called the product. Okay, addition. First, the previous class already we have studied addition. Is that no? Yes, addition. What is the sign of addition? What is the sign of addition? Plus is the sign of addition. Okay mama, plus is the sign of addition, and addition answer is called the sum. S-U-M, sum. Okay, addition simple is plus, the addition answer called sum. Okay, we get after the addition, it is called the sum. Okay, we get after the addition, it is called the sum. Then subtraction, S-U-B, sub. Okay, subtraction simple is minus. Subtraction simple is minus. The subtraction answer is called the difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Okay mama, addition simple is plus. We get after the addition is called the sum. Addition answer is called the sum. Then subtraction simple is minus. We get after the subtraction, it is called difference. The subtraction answer is called the difference. Okay, then multiplication. Okay, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-Y, multiply. The simple is multiplied by simple. The multiplication answer is called the product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. Okay, multiply. This is multiplication simple, multiplied by. The multiplication answer is called the product. We get after the multiplication is called the product. Okay mama, in this class we will study about division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N, division. This is division simple. Okay mama, this is the simple for division. The division answer is called the quotient. The division answer is called the quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Okay mama, do you understand? In this class we are going to learn about division. This is division simple. This is division simple. The division answer is called the quotient. We get after the division, it is called quotient. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand children? Addition simple is plus. we get after the addition, it is called sum. S-U-M, sum. We get after the addition, it is called sum. Then subtraction symbol is minus. The subtraction symbol is minus. We get after the subtraction, it is called difference. We get after the subtraction, it is called difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. We get after the subtraction, it is called difference. The subtraction answer is called the difference. Then multiply. Multiply symbol is multiplied by. We get after the multiplication is called the product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. The multiplication answer is called the product. Okay. Then division. This is division symbol. We get after the division, it is called quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Okay. The division answer is called the quotient. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now listen. In this class, we are going to study about division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. Okay, Mama? D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. Division simple. Already we have studied. The division answer is called the quotient. Division answer is called the quotient. Okay, Mama? Now, some small sums only we have to do it today. Okay, Mama? Very small and easy sums only we have to do it today. So all of you look at here, listen carefully. Okay. 4, 2. Okay, now you want to say the 2 table. Okay, Mama, in a table to 2 table. Okay, open your mouth and say the 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so you write here 2. 2 2s are, what will come? 4. Okay, now we have to subtract this one. Subtract 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, Mama, 4 minus 4, 0. Next, see the next one. See the next one. 32. Okay, now we have to multiply by 4. 32. Okay, Mama. Now we want to say the 4th table. All of you open your mouth and say the table of 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. Here the question is 32. Is that no, Ma? Here the question is 32. Okay, how many 4s are 32? 8 4s are 32. 8 you write it here. 4 and you will get 32. Okay, now we have to subtract. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 3 0. 32 minus 32 0. Okay, do you understand? Okay, then see the next one. 3 table. 27. 3 table and 27. Okay, say the 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. So you write it here 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Now subtract 27 minus 27, 0. 27 minus 27, 0. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay. Here you write 30. Use the 5 table. Okay. Open your mouth and say the 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Okay. So you write it here 6. 5s are 30. Now you subtract this one. 30 minus 30. 30 minus 30. 0. Okay. 30 minus 30. 0. Okay, Mama? This is called quotient. This is the answer of the given sum. Okay, Mama? மேலே என்ன நம்பர் வந்திருக்கோ அதான் டிவிஷனோட ஆன்சர் quotient. Okay, this is called quotient. This is divisor and this one is dividend. Okay, quotient, dividend, divisor. Quotient, dividend, divisor. Okay, this is quotient. This one is dividend. This one is divisor. 8 is the quotient. 32 is the dividend. 4 is the divisor. Okay, Mama? 9 is the quotient. 27 is the dividend. 3 is the divisor. 6 is the quotient. 30 is the dividend. 5 is the divisor. Okay, do you understand? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your maths note. Now all of you open your maths note. Take new page. All of you open your maths note. Take new page and write division. All of you take your maths note, take new page and write division. Here you should write ClassWork, CW. ClassWork. CW, ClassWork. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay, here you should write today's day and date. Then you start to write the heading in the middle of the note. Division. 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 See the note and write, Ma. I am waiting for you. Write neatly. Okay, all of you write neatly. All of you have you written, children? All of you have you written? Okay, listen. Some properties of division I have. Properties of division, okay. The first property is if the first property is if the dividend is 0, then any number as a divisor will give the quotient as 0. Okay, if the dividend is 0, then any number as a divisor will give the quotient as 0. Okay வாமா, எந்த ஒரு நம்பர் கூடயும் 0, இப்போ வந்து 0 வந்து டிவைடண்டா இருக்கு. Which is dividend here? The given sum is which is dividend? Opening mouth and say this is dividend. Yes, the dividend place la 0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஆன்சர் என்னதான் வரும்? 0 தான் வரும். எந்த நம்பர் வச்சு அதை வச்சு இப்படி அது divide பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, if the dividend is 0, then any number as a divisor will give the quotient as 0. The answer also 0. Here in the place la dividend is 0 means then the quotient also 0. Okay, then property number 2. Property number 2, the product of the divisor and the quotient added to the remainder is always equal to the dividend. Okay, the product of the divisor, product means already we have studied, the addition answer is called the product. Okay, add. Okay, if we are adding divisor and the quotient means we will get the remainder is always equal to the dividend. Okay mama, this divisor we have to add this divisor and quotient. Okay, if we are adding these two numbers and added any remainder will come means if we are add means we will get dividend. Okay, we will get the same dividend. Okay mama, the product of the divisor and the quotient added to the remainder is always equal to the dividend. Then the property number 3, if the divisor is 1, then any dividend will have the quotient equal to itself. Okay, if the divisor this place is 1 means here 32, 132 is 32 only will come. So this one you take and write it up. Here 1 will come means you should write. Okay, 1, 32 and 32, then we will get 0. Okay வாமா, ஒன்றை வச்சு எந்த நம்பரை டிவைட் பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பர் தான் வரும். If the divisor is 1, then any dividend will have the quotient equal to itself. Okay, then see the next one. In a division sum, the remainder is always smaller than a divisor. Okay, if we are divised this number means in a division sum, this is division sum, the remainder is always smaller than a divisor, remaining 0, but divisor is 5. Okay mama, இதில் கீழே வந்திருக்கிற நம்பரை விட இங்கே டிவைசர் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? பெருசாக தான் இருக்கும். இதை விட கீழே ரிமைனிங் வர நம்பர் எப்படி இருக்கும்? சின்னதாக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, in a division sum the remainder is always smaller than a divisor. Okay, we cannot divide a number by 0. This one also important. We cannot divide a number by 0. நம்மளால 0 என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay mama, do you understand? Shall we see the next one? Okay. Now don't write, listen. Don't write, listen. multiplication multiplication and division division facts. multiplication and division facts. In the previous class we have studied that multiplication facts. Yes, every multiplication fact has two division facts. Is or no? Do you remember that? Do you remember that? If every multiplication fact has two division facts. How many division facts? Two division facts. Okay, Mama? Now listen. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Then 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. That same, yes. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Yes. Now we have to convert in the division facts. Means 12 divided by 4. Okay, Mama? 4. We will get 3. Okay. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Now what will come? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay, this is multiplication and division facts. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are also that same 12. Okay, now we have to convert in the division facts. Means 12 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12 only. Yes, so the answer will come 3. Then 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Can you understand, children? Okay, then see the next one. Five multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Is or no? 5 4s are 20. 4 5s are 20. That same, yes. Then convert the division facts. 20 divided by 4. Okay, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Here 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Okay, Mama? Can you understand? Okay, then third one. Seven multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. Then 3 multiplied by 7 also 21. Okay, come on. Now you write 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Then here 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Okay, Mama, do you understand? Every multiplication facts has two division facts. Every division facts has two multiplication facts. Do you understand? எல்லா multiplication factsக்கும் two division facts கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். எல்லா division factsக்கும் two multiplication facts கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். ஓகேவாமா? multiplication factsல இருந்து division facts ரைட் பண்ணிடலாம். division factsல இருந்து multiplication facts ரைட் பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, can you understand? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your marks note, take new page and write this one. Open your marks note, take new page and write. Okay, Mama? All of you open your maths note, take new page and write. Say and write multiplication and division facts. MULTIPLI CATION multiplication, ANT and DIVISION division, FACTS facts. Multiplication and division facts. First one, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 and 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. See the second one. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 12 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. All of you have written, children? All of you have written? Shall we see the next one? Okay, very good. Now take the next page and write with me today's homework. Take new page and write homework, HW. Take new page and write homework. Here you should write today's day and date. Homework. And here you should write today's day and date. Okay, Mama? Division. 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 Four divided by 8 and 4 divided by 32. Then 6 divided by 36. 7 divided by 21. 8 divided by 4, 32 divided by 4, 36 divided by 6, 21 divided by 7. 8 divided by 4, 32 divided by 4, 36 divided by 6, 21 divided by 7. Okay, Mama? Take next page. Take next page and write multiplication and division facts. Take next page and write multiplication multiplication and division division facts facts. Okay, I will give any one. "45" is it correct? Yes, then you should write another one multiplication facts and 2 division facts. Okay, Mama, the class of method you should write. Then 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. Third, 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. Fourth one 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Okay, multiplication and division facts. The first one 5 9s are 45. Second one 7 3s are 21. Third one 6 8s are 48. Fourth one 9 4s are 36. Okay, Mama, write this one. Then this one you take and write it here. Okay, write the table. WRITE, right? TIG, the tables. TABLES. Q to 10. This is today's homework. All of you do it your homework yourself. If you are studying the table means multiplication and division sum is very easy. Okay, Mama? So all of you study the table properly and fluently. Okay, Mama? Next one we will see the next class. Okay? Take care, children. Thank you. Bye.